What's up, guys? Welcome to vlog 12. A lot has happened in between the last vlog. We got merch now. First link in the description. You can check it out. We also just announced that we're making motocross gear, which I'm super stoked about. We're gonna try and get that. The goal is to have motocross gear to sell at the start of next season. So summer 2023, book it in the calendars, boys. Should be sick. I'm pumped. What's up, guys? I'm super excited to announce something I've been working on for a long time. It's been a dream of mine. Dr. Do Racing is making gear, baby. Let's go. So boys, Riverlade final round we're heading to this weekend. Home track, home advantage. Let's see what we can get done this weekend. Should be a good time. Might see the fellas pop in, but I am yet again the only one racing out of the boys. Unfortunately, Ivan's still recovering and Roy will never race, I don't think. We gotta get him, man. Put in the comments right now. Let's get Roy out on that track behind that start gate. Day 1 of 2 here at the Glade final round. I've got 3 motos today, 2 motos tomorrow. Kind of wish it was the other way around because it's going to be a long day today and then a short day tomorrow, but I'll be sore as ever tomorrow. Still should be a lot of fun. The track looks pretty good. I think it'll dry up by the end of the day. They didn't put too much water to it, but it'll be fun for the first motos for sure. We got practice coming up. I'm just waiting for riders meeting here. I think they're starting it right now, and then we got practice. So catch you guys out on the track for practice, let you know how it is. That's a good thumbnail. Yeah.
doing?
I'm good.
What's it hurt?
This knee and that ankle.
So I'll lower you can breathe okay?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath for me. Yeah, let's just put him on a board for transport.
Yep.
Yeah. So a knee and a...
I think I can get up, I just have some help.
What we use is the head blocks, the pad underneath.
You might want to... You want to try?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
want to try standing up? All right.
I'll take those goggles out of the way.
Go slow. What do you think? You don't have to, man.
Yeah.
Was it wobbly? Yeah, we can. We'll take you to the clinic. We'll maybe get something on there, get some ice on it.
And we're ending the vlog here.